Hello everyone. Today's session is an heads-up video on initial public offering, that is IPO. Tamilnad Mercantile Bank is one of the country's oldest private sector lender. Is gearing up to launch an IPO worth up to rupees 832 crore. The bank has set a price band of rupees 500 to 525 per share for the IPO. Potential investors will be able to bid for the shares in multiples of 28, which makes one lot worth around rupees 14,000 to 14,700. Let's see the IPO timeline. The bidding starts on 5th September and ends on 7th September. You can apply for the IPO between these dates. The final allotment of shares will be done on 12th September. If you are unlucky and the allotment is not made, then the refund would be initiated on 13th September. By luck, if you got the allotment, then the shares will be transferred to Demat account on 14th September. The stock would be listed on the exchange on 15th September. That's about the timeline. I haven't applied any IPO so far. I'm just going to make my own luck this time. I'll be planning to apply for this IPO. And this is not the recommendation to apply or proceed for the IPO. As stated, this is an heads up video just to make people aware about this IPO. I'm hoping for the listing gains. I'm expecting the listing price would be around 600 levels. But who knows? Anything might happen. Let's hope for the best. By God's grace, this should not follow the pattern of LIC IPO. Actually, I'm much worried about that. Thank you for watching the video. Please read the disclaimers carefully before you make any investments. Take care. Bye-bye.